Hi everybody. Today I have experiments that I wanted to do where you wash your makeup brushes. See how dirty these are. In your dishwasher. Now these are just some cheap brushes I got off of eBay. And I want to see if it actually works. So I will be putting them in the utensil part with the ferrule down so water doesn't, well, water's gonna get into the ferrule, but maybe less if it's down. And I will be using just the regular Cascade. So, I almost forgot the dishwashing filter. Just a tiny bit because there's not very many brushes. Make sure any heating is turned off so it doesn't melt the glue. And also we'll be doing a light wash, or whatever the lowest wash is on your dishwasher. There we go. Okay, the dishwasher stopped, so now we will open it and see what happened. This is what they look like in the basket. Now let's take them out. This one looks like it's pretty messed up. And it's not that clean. This one is really messed up. Even the handle is messed up, and they're still pretty wet. This one, about the same. And this one, last one. They don't really look that clean, and it looks like the bristles could have been ruined, so I would not recommend doing this with your brushes. It looks like they got ruined and they're not very clean, so this would be a no. Do not try this at home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.